In this video, I'm going to talk very briefly about the difference between process colors and spot colors. This is one of those areas that's really confusing for people, so hopefully this will help you understand it a little bit better. Process colors are colors that use the any combination of the CMYK colors to make it up. So for example, if you open up your swatches panel, which I have here, you'll see we have the default swatches, plus I have an added purple one I added. And you can see each of those colors has a CMYK value attached to it. So I'm going to go ahead and just type this. Let me write this big. All right. So hold on here. Whoops. Process colors equal CMYK. So that's a way for you to remember. Process colors use CMYK, and I'm going to pick a color for that. And so this text right here actually has a CMY color, a process color applied to it. Let me make it just a little bit bigger. Alright, so that's a process color, and you can make new ones very easily in InDesign. So the other type of ink or color that InDesign uses is called spot colors. And the way that you get to spot colors is to go in and if you go into your panel options drop down and you say new color swatch, you'll have this window pop up. Now it defaults, if the last color you've used, it defaults to that color, and of course this is a standard CMYK color, so that's what it defaulted to. But if you go here to where it says color type and you say, oh, I want a spot color, then things kind of change. If it doesn't look so much different, but when you click on this drop down, you're going to get a whole bunch of other things that you wouldn't have got if you had left it on process. Now, you probably have heard of Pantone. Pantone is sort of the standard for color combinations for spot colors, and if you remember right, those are colors that aren't made up of CMYK. They're special inks that have to be ordered that may not typically be at your printers. So that's why it's sometimes a little more costly to use spot colors, because if your printer has to special order it for you, it will cost you more to have your item printed. So I'm going to go ahead and pick solid uncoated Pantone, because that's kind of a normal set. So these are different Pantone sets, and I'm just going to pick a color right here, and you'll see now it pops up in the color box. It tells you what the name of it is at the top, and if that's what you want, then you just say OK. So now I have that swatch in my swatches panel, and to apply that spot color, it's the same thing as if you were applying a CMYK color from your swatches. So I'm just going to say spot colors equal special order colors. So you can remember that's the difference. Spot colors are ones that are made up of CMYK. Spot colors are those special colors. Hopefully that can help you remember which is which and how you make the different ones. You just use that. You either indicate process color or spot color in the new swatch dialog box.